In this video, we will enable P2P and connect the recorder to our mobile device. In this example, we will enable P2P from the local interface. Go ahead and right-click and select Main Menu, then select Network Settings. And here we're going to make sure we're on the correct range. So to do that, you can select DHCP. This will automatically assign an IP address to your network. Now, if you already know the range of your network, you can assign a static IP as well. Okay, so we'll just go back into Network and we'll show you that it pulled an IP address. All right, so now that's locked in. We'll go down to P2P, or it might say Easy for IP, and go ahead and enable that. And you can see this is already enabled and it is online, so we'll just go ahead and apply it. Now stay on this page until we get to our next step, which is to open up the TechPro SS app on your mobile device. So go ahead and select Camera, and then select the icon on the upper left-hand corner, then select Device Manager. From here, we're going to add our device. Select Wired Device, and then select P2P. Now we're going to go ahead and give our device a name. And here you can either manually enter the serial number, or you can select the icon to the right of that there, and that'll pull up the camera on your mobile device. And just go ahead and scan that page. All right, enter the username and password. And then select Start Live Preview. And that's how you enable P2P on an Elite Series recorder or camera. Thank you for watching.